Let's discuss the seventh question where given is in a particular AP जो 11th टर्म है वो 38 है और जो 16th टर्म है वो 73 है और इस डाटा को यूज़ करके वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज 31st टर्म in this AP. So again we'll start with what is given to us, that is T11 is 38 and T16 is 73. Let's check the solution. We'll start by assuming let the first term of this particular AP is A and the common difference is D. And to solve this question, we'll use again the nth term formula, that is Tn is A plus n minus 1D. So from the first given data, we can form the equation by putting n as 11, we get 11 minus 1 is 10. So A plus 10D is given as 38, and from the second data we'll form the equation that A plus 15D is 73. So here we have got two equations, two variables. So we'll solve it by subtracting this equation. When we are subtracting it, A will get eliminated and we'll get negative 5D is negative 35. So here again the negative sign will get cancelled down. We'll get D as 35 by 5 or D is 7. Putting D equals to 7 in our first equation and solving it, we'll get A as negative 32. So here now we have to find our 31st term. So again for that we'll use this nth term formula and putting here n as 31 and A as negative 32 and D as 7. So we'll get T31 is negative 32 plus, now 31 minus 1 is 30 and D is 7. Solving it, we'll get T31 as 178 and thus the 31st term in the given AP is 178, and that's our answer.